Fairfax Families4Kids is a mentoring program in Fairfax County, and our focus is to connect teens who are at risk. They're either in foster care or they're at risk of entering foster care. We connect them with mentors and sometimes with potential adoptive families. This is our annual 5K walk in celebration of Foster Care Appreciation Month. We've been holding this event now for 7 years. It's our way of honoring our foster families in the county. We're at Lake Accotink in Springfield. It's a lovely location. We are doing a 5K walk that's about 3.2 miles around the beautiful Lake Accotink. We're going to stay on the trail. We're going to enjoy the view. We're going to walk over the dam and hopefully meet back here in 2 hours for a celebration. Foster families play a very important role in our county. They support our children. They provide safe and secure families for our children who are in between either returning to their permanent family or getting an adoptive family. We have several special guests here. We have Pastor King Rhodes, who is one of our partners, and he's been a partner of ours for about 7 years. He and his church, it's called His Church International Christian Center. They have supported this program for several years. They're going to be providing lunch for us. Pastor Rhodes has been a mentor. Pastor Rhodes is a graduate of a foster care system himself.
Not all foster care systems are created equal. You said, well, how do you know that? I used to be in the foster care system a long time ago.
We don't get do-overs. We get one shot to give our kids the best chance to succeed in the future. And, you know, studies have shown that kids who have mentors and positive influences in their lives are much more successful when they become adults.
It's a very difficult job. It's very demanding, but we are always appreciative of our foster families, and we're always looking for foster families who want to come and get certified and become a part of our community.